Master Linux, tutorials, tips, and expert insights. Searching within compressed files is a common task for Linux system administrators, developers, and anyone working with large datasets. While standard grep excels at searching uncompressed text, navigating through compressed archives like .tar, .gz, or .tgz files requires additional steps. This is where the combined power of xz and grep, often referred to as xzgrep or, more accurately, the xz decompression utility pipe to grep, comes into play. This guide delves into the intricacies of using xzgrep, or the equivalent piped command, for efficient and effective searching within xz compressed files, providing you with a comprehensive understanding and practical examples to master this essential Linux command. Table of contents. The term xzgrep itself isn't a standalone command in the same way grep is. Instead, it represents the powerful combination of the xz utility, used for decompressing xz compressed files, and grep, for searching text. You achieve the same functionality by piping the output of xz to grep. This approach allows you to seamlessly search within xz compressed files without manually extracting their contents. The fundamental structure is as follows. Let's say you have a file named my_log.txt xz and you want to find all lines containing the string error. The command would be